Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the replace method. We can replace substrings with other substrings by using the method replace. The method returns a string in which all the occurrences of old are replaced by new, where old and new are the arguments passed to the method. The max parameter, which can also be passed to the method, is optional. It tells the method how many occurrences should be replaced. Here's an example. Here we have a text. She is waiting, but she is impatient. And now what we want to do is replace this verb in the present tense with its counterpart in the past tense. So is should be replaced with was. We can do it like so. Text, replace, and now the first argument is the old value, so is. Then we pass the new argument, which is the new value, was. And what we get is this. She was waiting, but she was impatient. And now, another example. This time we'll also pass a third argument, max, and our example is here. Here we have a text. Coming, stop. Home, stop. And stop. You, stop. Cannot, stop. Stop me. Now here, we want to replace this substring, stop, with a white space. Well, here, the substrings, stop, here, and so on, are used to separate the words, like in a telegram. But what we want to do is to replace stop with a white space, but only the first 5 occurrences. So, we should replace stop, this is the old value, with a white space, this is the new value, and only 5 occurrences. What we get is this. Coming, home, and you cannot stop me. So the last one here was not replaced because this is the 6th one. Fine. This is how this method works. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.